Hi everybody, today's focus, I am testing various laundry detergents to see how well they remove stains from white t-shirts. So I've always been curious to see which laundry detergents actually work the best at removing stains from shirts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some plain white Hanes t-shirts and I'm going to put various stains on them like coffee, turmeric, ketchup, grass stains, and I found this synthetic grease in my husband's workshop. I'll create 6 t-shirts with those stains on them. Then I'll wash each t-shirt with a different laundry detergent. I'm going to test Tide Pods, Norway Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent, Force of Nature laundry strips, Persil, and all free and clear. I am going to wash all of the shirts on just a normal cycle with cold water. So let's see which laundry detergent can remove some of these really tough stains. Coffee, turmeric, ketchup, grease, and grass stains best. Now for some results. Before I show results, I just want to preface this by saying I washed the shirts. I did not put them in the dryer. I just let them air dry in my home. So I created 6 stained t-shirts to test Tide, All Free and Clear, Persil, Force of Nature, and Norwex laundry detergents. So that 6th t-shirt, I tested just water. Let's look at washing with just water. So comparing the before and after washing with just water, we can see that some of the coffee stain was removed, some of the turmeric was removed, most of the ketchup was removed, doesn't look like that grease stain was touched, and some of the dirt and grass was removed. It's actually surprised me to see how much just water can remove in the washing machine. Let's look at the Tide. Comparing before and after washing with a Tide Pod, the coffee stain is just about gone. The turmeric is still there. The ketchup, you can see a faint amount of ketchup stain there. A lot of the grease was removed, but again, the stain is still there. I took the photo when the shirt was still wet, fresh out of the wash machine, but as it dried, it did look like it decreased the grease more than what it does in that photo. And a good amount of the grass was removed. I'll be honest with you, I'm actually not very happy with this. I thought the Tide would have done a much better job at removing these stains. So in my opinion, Tide does a okay job at removing stains from white t-shirts. Next, let's look at the Norway Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. So the coffee stain is almost all removed. The turmeric is still there. The ketchup, you can still see a faint amount of that. The grease stain is decreased, but it's still there. And it looks like it removed a little of the grass, but not too much. I'm not impressed with the Norway Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent when it comes to removing stains. It does a not so great to okay job at removing some of these stains. Let's take a look at Persil. So the coffee stain is still there. You can see the ring and you can see brown staining on the shirt. You can see it a little bit better in the dried shirt more than you can in the wet picture. The turmeric, again, same thing. It was decreased, but the stain is still there. The ketchup decreased, but the stain is still there. The grease decreased, but the stain is still there. And the grass and dirt, it did the best so far out of everybody else. So the Persil does a okay job at removing the stains from these white t-shirts. Force of nature. Okay, the coffee stain is still very evident in the after. The turmeric was definitely decreased. The ketchup was decreased, but you can still see the staining. The grease was decreased, but you most certainly can still see it. And the grass and dirt decreased a little bit, but not that much. So the force of nature didn't do a great job at all at removing the stains from these shirts. All free and clear. So you can still see the coffee stain almost completely. The turmeric, again, was decreased. The ketchup, you can still see the staining, although a lot of it was removed. The grease actually was removed quite a bit. Again, you can see it a little bit better on the dry shirt than you can in the wet picture. And the grass stain was, well, it was decreased. Again, not removed completely, but decreased. So the all free and clear does a so-so, not so great job at removing stains from these white t-shirts. Overall, I'm not very impressed with any of the results that I got from any of these detergents. Now I know people are going to say to me, you didn't use a stain remover, you didn't scrub them beforehand, you should have used warm water for this stain. I understand that. This was just a raw test to see how well detergents can work just by throwing a plain t-shirt in there that has some staining on it. I think the Tide did the best overall, but still not super impressed with it either. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these t-shirts. I did not put them in the dryer on purpose so they wouldn't set in. I'm not certain if I should experiment and try to get these stains out in other ways. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do with these t-shirts. Oh, and I should also state, none of the detergents were able to remove the Sharpie line that I drew dividing the different areas to be tested. If there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor, put in the comments section and I'll add it to my viewer suggestion list. Or you can mail me something. My mailbox address is in the description below. Just do me a favor and send me an email. That's also in the description below so that I know it's from you and so I know to check my mailbox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.